Guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to open Jaiz mobile bank application. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you all know that for you to open your mobile bank online mobile banking account these days, you must have your debit card, which is your ATM with you, because it's either your ATM card or your token. That's what you are going to use to complete your online registration. So in this video, I'm going to be using my debit card to complete this registration. I'm going to click on sign up here and then click on agree. I'm going to enter my account number, my username, and the type of verification option that I want, either token or card. I'm going to choose card. Then I'm going to enter my account number. I'm going to enter the desired name for my account. Then I'm going to enter the last digit of my debit card. Then I'm going to click on continue and allowed. I'm going to click on continue. Once it loads successfully, a notification should be sent to my phone number here, to the phone number that is linked to this account. So I should receive a OTP code. Now that they have sent an OTP code, I'm sorry to record the process. They sent an OTP and I entered it. It told me to log in with my provided username and password. So I'm going to enter with the username and password. Then save banking ID. Then I'm going to click on sign in. Save, continue. So this is my sign-in account. As you can see, I've already logged in to this account, and this is the account. This is how to set up your Jaiz bank mobile application. So then you can now set up the other settings. You can manage your PIN, manage your accounts. You can manage your PIN, create your new PIN for yourself and everything. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.